Yo, what is up, my dudes? We are back with another video, and today I'm playing as Phantom Foxy, and this kid like jumps across the map. Like, do you see this kid? Like, look at it. Like, look at this kid. And I have like five subscribers right now. I have like one subscriber right now, and that was my cousin. And I get no respect. Guys, turn it down. Like, as soon as I come out and try to make a video here, everybody just tries to torture me. But But we are actually playing as Swooly. Where is my camera? What is that music instrument? But anyways, we are going to go here. Chloe, shut up! You're gonna ruin the whole video. Yo, what is up, my dudes? We are back with another video, and today, and yes, I use a camera. Don't call me a noob. Don't call me a noob. This is the only way I can do this. Okay, 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 okay. I'm Broly. I am Swole. I am swole, and like nobody can stop me from being like the swollest man on the earth. But if you want to get OG from my last video, which was slash first video, uh, who was it? Anyway, but anyways, these kids are over here trying to interrupt my video, trying to. I don't care. Still trying to interrupt my video. I cannot. Yeah. I have these. Where? Where's Kamehameha? Where is it? It's in my weapons, right? Yeah, it's over here. Where is it? Ready? Yeah. Kamehameha. Anyways, but anyways, uh, I always forget that the video is filming at the last second. Uh, uh, but I don't really know what to do in this video right now. We're gonna mess around and kill somebody like a really. It's really good. I can actually get a where actually I don't think I got one of those. Is it in this one? I don't think in my opinion. Uh, Hi ho, Kermit Broughton. You know Kermit's always gonna say hi, but that's a no. Alright, sorry for the input. Look at that. I can. Just get where are they? Just get a random one. Let's get this. This guy. Hopefully he's not good. There we go. Perfect. Perfect for doing nothing video. Uh, Broly is that, and I put. But this guy is literally so tall. Like, why is he so tall? Don't forget about this. And then we're here. My stepsister's here. If you want to say hi to her, everybody say hi to the stepsister. Yep. I think I can. I'm making video over here. Me, I'm making video. Yep, YouTube video. It just did the epic sound effect. There it was. I can actually fly with doing this. It's kind of fun. But But anyways, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. You know, all that basic stuff. Peace out. Peace out for the next GM Gamer video / Gmod video. Bye bye!